To clean the Apex bill acceptor, first remove the cash box by pressing the latch and pushing the cash box upward and toward you. Use a solution of 50% water and 50% isopropyl alcohol to dampen a cloth. Clean the cash box rollers with the damp cloth. Check the rollers for proper actuation by pressing and releasing them. If the rollers do not spring back and forth, have the bill acceptor serviced by an authorized service center. Remove the bottom plate by pressing the latch and removing the bottom plate as shown. Press and release all belt and ball rollers to check for proper actuation. If the rollers do not spring back and forth, please have the bill acceptor serviced by an authorized service center. Use the water and isopropyl solution to clean the bill path as shown. Pay particular attention to the lenses in the bill path. Also, clean the two anti-stringing sensors. These sensors are located on each side of the bill path. Next, clean the top plate of the bill path in a similar fashion. Be sure to clean the note sensor as shown here. Inspect the belts for any tears or frays. If the belts are damaged, have the validator serviced by an authorized service center. Reinstall the bottom plate and the cash box. Test the entire payment system by vending a product.